Wow. Oh wow. 5-0. All right, here goes. He's ready for takeoff. Oh shit, I didn't even catch that. Okay, we're gonna have to redo that. Oh my god. That was just too fast, I couldn't catch it on the camera. Okay, let's do it one more time. Do one. Just do one more time.
There you go.
Huh?
So there you go. That's it. Did you get a good shot of it?
The first time I didn't catch you. The second time I got you. The first time you were flying, I couldn't catch you on the camera. I think at least you're doing 130.
Yeah, when I flew by.
Yeah.
The camera was.
Try it one more time. Just do one pass going this way.
One more time.
Yeah, but then once you're done, just come pick me up so we can leave.
All right, cool.
Let's try this again. Go, 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 go. Hurry up. Don't let this guy go. Turn, turn. Uh-oh. Oh shit. That was nice. That was a good pass. Alright, we need to be out before we get caught. Damn, that thing looks sick.